Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Capricorn. See first card, Knight of Wands, and your second card, Four of Cups, the Moon. Yeah. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Someone is approaching you or you are going to approach someone. Definitely. I think someone is approaching you. I'm getting. But one person is not accepting the cup of love which is offered by other person due to third party or due to one person is lying and cheated on other person. For some it could be third party situation. I think it could be you not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person. For some, one person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with the other person in past, but one person is coming. There is a lot of passion. This person is very passionate about the other person. So let's pull some more. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, High Priestess, Ten of Cups. In past or in recent past, there are some disturbances between both of you because the moon card is illusion, some disturbances. But now one person want to offer equal give and take in this connection, and they are coming back. I think your person may be coming back to you, but you are listening to your higher self. It's you, I am thinking, Capricorn. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely you are listening to higher self and you are trusting your intuition because intuition never goes wrong. Okay, trust your intuition. And Ten of Cups, definitely you both want this happiness in this connection, but something is happened. So your person coming back to offer equal give and take and this happiness to you, but you are trusting your higher self. Let's see, let's pull some more cards, then we will get more clarity. Knight of Swords, King of Swords, Death. Yeah, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of air energy and water energy is here. Yeah, definitely one person is rushing towards the other person. Knight of Swords and Knight of Wands. I think one of the main problem is here, knights always stay when they want. They are in and out of other person's life. So when they want, they will come. When they don't want, they will go. That is the I am getting issue, some commitment issues. But you are very straightforward, Capricorn. You are very honest. Definitely always there for your person in this connection. And the King of Swords means truth coming out and honest. Definitely you always speaks truth. You are very honest to your person, but your person not. But one person in this connection is undergoing spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Scorpio also. Definitely some positive transformation is going in one person. Knight of Cups, Ace of Swords, Devil. Yeah. So yeah, definitely your person has strong emotions for you. I'm getting this is your person coming towards you. They recognize your feelings. They recognize you both after you walked away, or if you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. If in past they may be not committed to you, but now they want to commit to you. Definitely they want to speak truth, definitely, or you want to express your feelings and you want to give clarity. Devil, you or your person could be Capricorn. Definitely there is some obsession in this connection or some deception. You both are obsessed with each other. There is strong ties between both of you, or one person is obsessed with other. I think your person may be obsessed over you, but you stand by your power. You are trusting, you are listening to your higher self, but your person want to offer give and take. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. So let's pull your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Then we will get more clarity. So your person current feelings first, Queen of Wands. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Yeah, it confirmed that your person want to offer given equal give and take 2 times 6 of pentacles. In past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Now your person want to offer equal give and take. They see you like this Queen of Wands. You stand by your power. Definitely you or your person could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, fire sign could be. And 6 of pentacles, definitely that you now your person want to offer equal give and take. And Queen of Cups, yeah, you have strong emotions for your person, but your person also has strong emotions for you. Yeah, they feel the emotions. So let's pull the near future actions towards you. King of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles, definitely they also want to communicate. They also want to speak truth this time. They want to be honest this time. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely they are waiting for the right time. Definitely time is will come. Definitely the time is coming very soon, because Wheel of Fortune is here. And 8 of Pentacles, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. Yeah, now your person is very serious to work on this relationship, and they want to offer equal give and take. 8 of Pentacles is very slow and stable, but it is very, very strong offer and stable offer. They want to work on this relationship. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but lot of earth energies here. You both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Two cards I am not taking. Two of Wands, the Magician. Nine of Swords, Devil 2 times. Definitely there is some obsession or deception in this connection. You or your person could be Capricorn. Yeah. So 9 of Swords, definitely I think you stand by your power. There is no doubt about it. You are in this energy, manifesting energy, or your person manifesting you back, or this is mutual energy. You both are manifesting each other. I think 9 of Swords with Devil, definitely your person is obsessed over you. And 9 of Swords, they are thinking about you a lot, and they are not sleeping at night times. Especially they are thinking about you a lot at night times. Yeah, they are in depression and anxiety. They are thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, definitely you both thinking about each other a lot. And the Magician, definitely you both are manifesting each other. I think one person in this connection is in manifesting energy, that is you, Capricorn. Yeah, you stand by your power. You take your power back. Yeah, now you stand by your power, but your person want reconciliation. They want to work on this relationship. So Capricorn, let's see your overall energy for the week. 5 of Swords, Queen of Swords, yeah, 6 of Wands and 4 of Wands. Definitely you also want this reunion, but if there is equal give and take, you want success. And Queen of Swords, definitely you stand by your power. 5 of Swords, there are some issues going between you and your person. If they back with offer equal give and take, definitely you also want to give another chance, because 6 of Wands and 4 of Wands is here. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So if it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, think twice before giving another chance to your person. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and 7 of Cups and 5 of Swords. You both got same card, 5 of Swords. Your person also want to end the things, disputes, to end disputes between both of you. 7 of Cups. I think for some your person have options also. They are also seeing options. That's why there is some separation is happened. For some your person fantasizing about you a lot. And 3 of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles. Now they want partnership with you. They want to work on this relationship. And 10 of Pentacles, stability, long-term commitment. Yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection, and this time they are very, very serious about it. And Three of Pentacles, in past there is no collaboration between you and your person, but now your person want partnership and they are seriously want to work on this relationship. Capricorn, if you are not in separation, your person want to take this relationship to next level. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. Bye.